What's up, guys? Welcome back to the other part of the video. I'm here at my brother's house. We're gonna be installing the coilovers that I got. They're Maxpeedingrods. Maxpeedingrod coilovers for my E46. I can leave a link to you guys on the description or whatever. I'm about to install these. This is gonna be my brother right here, Minty.
Let's get it, bro. Welcome. Make sure to follow us and subscribe to our channel as well, which is Stance Addicts.
Shout out your
Instagram, Stance Addicts. Follow my car too. SRT, you guys are into that.
You guys are into SRTs. He does a lot of vlogs and how-to videos on SRT4s.
All bagged.
All
We
bagged,
got two SRT4s, two Subarus, one bagged Subaru. The other one's getting worked on to get bagged.
Okay.
Hopefully this one's next.
I'll leave a link in the description of his Insta and his YouTube. Check him out.
Who's excited for this shit? Because we finally got what you guys were asking for. If you guys are here for this, you guys are gonna see how to install these beauties here onto this freaking BMW.
We're gonna need all the fucking camera to fit those wheels, guys. Guys, we're gonna start by jacking up the fucking car and putting jack stands so it can stay up, and then we're gonna take the wheels off, and then we're gonna start from there. Take your wheels off. So you can see I have my fucking wheels off. It's better doing one side at a time.
Alright guys, what I found out right here, because we're tripping out because we're used to American or JDM cars. Freaking European cars, dude. This back piece here that holds this strut is like a fucking clamp, like a C-clamp. So the bolt tightens, it loosens the C-clamp, and this thing just pops out.
Oh, okay.
But it stays on with this.
Stays on with that, okay.
So we're trying to figure out where's a bolt and all that's gonna fit, and then this piece is gonna go for your, what do they call this, tie rods or whatever?
Yeah.
It's gonna hold this piece up. So that's why we're confused about fucking Euros, dude.
Yeah.
We've never done this on a Euro car.
We're gonna listen that one right there.
Yep. And this should come
right
off.
here. And this should come off, and then obviously we're gonna unbolt these two as well. And this should come off. We took that bolt off. And we also took that other bolt out there. This bolt right here is kind of pain in the ass. So if you guys have a hard time, it's gonna be a little hard. But you guys will get it out, as you can tell. Now we're gonna do these. Ready? Yeah, go.
Oh fuck.
What?
That's your problem. We gotta take these fuckers off. Oh no, it's already off. It's off already, yeah. Press down on the brake.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Little pressure on this, and it'll come straight down.
Yours what's happening right now, bro.
It's a pin in the ass, bro. Shit's stuck. To twist it off, guys.
We call this right here the Thor hammer.
Thor hammer it is.
The power of Thor.
Power. Power.
It's coming out, boys.
Progress. Alright,
It's out already.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, oh yeah.
Ooh.
It is.
There it is, boys.
Got it out, boys. Spider web. These were terrible. Feel the comparison.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's fucking way smaller
Look at
for
that.
sure. Alright guys, I'm taking over Jonga's vlog real quick. But they sent him these. He has to replace these with the ones that it came with. We don't know why. They just said this is an upgraded version. Yeah, we gotta swap these out here. And then he wants to swap these camber plates here and switch them with some aftermarkets that he got. Should give him more degrees of camber. But these would be up for sale if you guys want. If you guys want these camber plates. So let's get to the next one and then slap these fuckers on.
Guys, we put some WD-40 on the sides here to make it more easier to come out. Let's see if it just works. Alright guys, we got it out. Got it out after bashing it with the fucking hammer. She was a bitch. If you guys didn't know, I actually bought separate camber plates for these coilovers. As you can tell, it has more degrees, and they can side shift. Hopefully it fits.
Before you guys do anything, make sure you guys take some load off the spring, or else it's gonna pop out.
Wanting to know the name of these Godspeed camber plates.
13, 16, because that's what we got, and if it's perfect, then tuck. When you use the impact gun, kick the fucker out. Just like that, guys.
Set that, slide that.
And there it is. No shit, don't lose that piece. These two pieces belong with the original plate. We're gonna use these since it's the original coilover for that. But these do come with extras. Extra
Adapters, like adapters.
A whole bunch of extra stuff for that. But we're gonna use the original one since it's speed rods, you know.
So it fits.
So it fits perfect. Look at that.
Yeah. I think we have to take this part off too when we attach it.
It's ready to go. This is gonna go in the top.
Yeah, top. Yep. All right, guys, we're gonna install them now. Oh, we're actually gonna do it to the other one that's over there.
Yeah.
I haven't got it.
I'm gonna salt these bottom pieces.
Oh yeah. Yes, you're gonna swap these guys to these.
What did he call these? Motor mounts?
I don't even know what they call them, but they send me these separately. First things first, put your nuts in. You obviously need two people to help you because there's no way you can do it
one at a time.
Alright, that's gonna go straight in there, guys.
Can't see.
Oh shit. Alright, guys, you can tell it's the fucking thing. As you can tell, we have to do this fucking fast. It's in, boys. Yeah, they're all facing the same way, right? Alright, guys, we put the fucking bolts on already.
We gotta put this one because it's stuck on the armor.
We put that one. Which one? Alright, guys, we got it in.
Yeah,
everything's turned up. Alright, guys, we're gonna try unloosing these. Just kind of a pain in the butt getting one of these inside here because we're gonna try unloose some camber all the way maxed out, so we won't have to when we tight these bolts up. We're gonna have to do the same thing with this side.
Can you show this,
Dude,
Megan?
he got exhaust pipes. Like
Did he?
Yeah.
2 hours later, we finally fucking got it fully maxed out.
I need this one back here, so you gotta adjust it.
Are you sure it's coming down?
Yeah.
Spring's tight. We need to lock it first and then spin it.
You're lower than me.
Alright, guys, we did some readjustments on the fucking coilovers.
That's just
gonna be slammed.
Done. Maxed out on the coils lowered. We're trying to lower it.
Oh
That's it
yeah,
right there, bro.
that's low. It's hella cambered in more though. Look at that, bro. Look how many camber I have now. Hella tough.
But you're gonna fit 10.5 easily.
We're gonna lower the other side, but we're gonna put the new wheel on that.
That's gonna be crazy.
Damn, I already see it.
I know, man.
It's gonna be insane. Alright, guys, you can tell I barely have clearance, like a finger gap.
That's why you're gonna get them thick tires.
Yeah, but look, got more camber, as you can tell. You see a little toe too, huh? Or am I tripping?
See how daddy long leg?
Yeah.
Dents the wheel. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. Yeah, you're good, man.
I have a fat ass toe though. Bro, this my fucking steering.
What do you think, George?
That looks good, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, I might need a little bit more camber. $250. That's free. That's as best as you're gonna get for $250
Yeah.
to fit 10.5-inch rim.
Dude, that's crazy,
To
man.
make it fit perfectly, you would have to like do more custom,
Yeah.
like rods and shit.
Extended tie rods and extended arms.
But yeah, guys, this is all you're getting for this video. So stay tuned, subscribe. You guys don't want to miss the wheel fitment on this car. Once it gets the tires on.
It's over with. Yeah. So we're gonna do the back tomorrow. Get some tires on. See how it does with the fitment. I hope you guys enjoyed part of this video. Stay tuned for the tires. It's gonna be insane. Get ready for the wheels, guys. We're gonna do that in the next part of the video. We finally got the cambers. Took us fucking like about 4 hours. It's fucking dark. I'm freaking proud. It looks fucking amazing. I can't wait to see it on the fucking tires.
I got double phones. Check it out. Hey, give a shout out for Jonga's YouTube channel, bro.
What's his YouTube?
I don't know his name, but just shout out your name.
Shout
so
out to your brand new YouTube that you're barely starting out on. Congrats, man. Good thing that you're doing that. Just keep doing what you're doing. Promote your page, bro. It's coming out crazy. Those wheels and everything is looking crazy, man. I can't wait to see you at those car shows. Another crew member.
Let's show this guy. Let's show Jonga's YouTube channel. His Trevor's car. You guys want to follow him? That's his car, guys, right there. So if you guys want to follow him. Damn, this iPhone looks better on the night than mine. But yeah, guys, this is fucking clean, bro. You guys want to follow him? Make sure to follow him on Bagged RS Instagram, or just check out our channel. We have every upgrade that we did on every mod we did in this car. From carbon fiber hood painting to everything, you know. Here he comes.
Oh no, you just went around the block.
Yeah.
I needed to go on the railroad tracks. That's the ultimate test.
Yeah.
Seriously. Railroad tracks.
Sheesh.
Gotta let it know. Go on the railroad tracks. That's the
I was gonna
ultimate.
say, like, I
mean, when
want
you
to take it
leave,
to the
you'll-
back row.
Alright, guys.
This is gonna be it for the night. We only installed the front ones today because it's already night as hell, as you can tell. We need to get some snooze, but tomorrow in the morning we're gonna slap the back ones on, and we're gonna put the tires on the new rims and slap them on and see how the fitment is. So I hope you guys are excited as me, because I can't wait to see this bad boy on the new rims. But yeah, see you guys in the next part of the video.
When I get bands, I feel better. Never keep clutching Berettas. 2K on Louis V sweaters. If she gon' miss it, won't miss her. These niggas red just like Splinter. We doing hits out the sprinter. This here, bro, how you figure?